Yan. They need it. Kailangan mo ito. You need this. Kailangan ko ng payo. I need an advice. Kakailanganin mo ang tulong ko. You will need my help. Kailangan ka namin dito. We need you here. Ano ang kailangan mo? What do you need? Kailangan nating magmadali. We need to hurry up. Kailangan nating mag-usap.